Alright, we got a 2017 Toyota RAV4. We're going to be replacing the battery. So, before we replace the battery, we're going to be connecting a battery saver. So, let me show you what that looks like. Alright, over here we got our battery memory saver. We're going to simply connect it to the OBD port, which is located right over here. Let me see if I can get a better light. Which is connected right over here. So, just connect it and turn it on. And what that's going to do is going to give it power, so like that the memory does not reset. Let's go ahead and start taking the battery out. One thing you should know about the battery saver is that you always are going to have power even if you replace the battery. So make sure to cover up the connectors, or else you're going to be sparking it, which is something we want to avoid. Alright, so we already clamped this out. Next we're going to start taking out the bracket. So go ahead and start taking it out. It's going to be a 10 millimeter. Make sure to have that at all times. Make sure you use a long one because you're going to need it. Carefully take this one out. Put it here, put it to the side. Pick up your battery bracket, put it to the side. And now we're going to be breaking free. Now what we're going to do is break free the terminals. Just go easy on it. Just simply twist it. Just give it 2 turns and you'll be fine. Same goes for this one. Just give it 2 turns. Take it out. With a rag on hand, with a rag on hand, take out the negative. Cover it up. And with another rag on hand, go ahead and start taking out the positive. If it's still tight, go ahead and loosen it a little more. Sometimes they're going to be a little rough. But keep on loosening it and keep pulling it towards you until it breaks free. Go ahead and cover it up. Pull out the battery. Prepare for the new one. Place it in. Go ahead and install the battery connector. Make sure it's flushed all the way down. Connect the negative. Make sure that's connected all the way down. And with your ratchet on hand, go ahead and start tightening down gently. Do a quick pull test to verify it's locked in. Alright. Now grab the bracket. Try your best to reconnect it back, everything back in place. Put the bolts here so it can just secure, so it can just hold on. And now we go on ahead and install the last thing we need to install. Now for this part, make sure the hook goes in all the way down. There's going to be a little tab that's all the way under that you're going to have to reach. It's going to be a little bit of work to reach it, but you can definitely reach it. Let me show you what I mean. That's where it goes, right in there. Once that's in, you're going to grab your ratchet. And you're going to go for the long 10 millimeter, for this one. And you're going to gun it in. Just check that it's tightly in. Now that that's tight, go ahead and put back this connector in. Verify it's good. And that's how you do your battery replacement.